How to get backup code for two-step verification in Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. So first of all, open up your Roblox application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the three dots. Now go to settings and tap on security. Now enable the toggle for authenticator app. Now enter the PIN. Now copy the code given below and go to your authenticator application. Now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on enter or setup key. Paste the code here. Now tap on add. Now copy the code and go back to your Roblox application and tap on verify. Now enter your PIN. Now save your backup codes and tap on close. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.